So first we will take a piece of our secondary color. So for us it is the brown for the hooves. So first of all we will take, I would say, about this much, give or take. It's always better to have more than not enough, because then it's going to be cut. Now that we have our 2 pieces of yarn, we will get ready to create our hooves for our unicorn and our. So to make our hooves, we're going to take first our leg from the other one. We're going to take the first strand that we just cut. We will take our tapestry needle and we're going to thread it. Now, so you see the magic ring or the magic circle, depending what you call it. Always look for where we did the front loop left after we did the back loop, because you will see kind of where that should be under. I always leave that under, so like this. When you sew it on to your unicorn or your horse, this part doesn't show. So I usually go through the middle of the magic circle, and then I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm trying to stay as straight as possible to align with the rest of the leg. And then I pull the yarn through. I leave a piece hanging out so we can tie it later. So then you're going to do that again. You're going to take your needle and your yarn, and you're going to go back through the magic circle, out the same hole that we just got out, and you're going to pull, and then you're going to make sure that this piece stays right here. Wrong piece. This piece stays right here. And then you see how it adds a little piece of yarn on top. You take both ends and you pull as tight as you can. Make sure that you don't snap your yarn. But you see how the hoops is forming? So then this part, you kind of hold it tight, and I go back and try to make a knot while still holding the yarn very tight. And then you pull tight. And then again, be careful not to snap your yarn. And then tight. So like you can see, now we've made our hoof. So this is how it started. This is how it ends. So you will be doing this for all 4 of your hoofs, for either your unicorn or your horse. And then I usually just thread while waving the tail through the leg, the hoofs, just to kind of get it stuck through the stuffing and it doesn't come up. Like this, and then you do this for both sides. This. And then we're going to cut those little ends that are sticking out. So make sure you grab your scissors, cut that piece out, and I usually like poke it back in, and then cut the other piece, poke it back in, and then you got your hoof. Enjoy!